Hi guys, welcome back to our channel for another video. From the title, you would have known already that this is going to be an honest hotel review for our stay in Merry Riverside Hotel, which is in Luang Prabang, Laos. So, if you are planning a trip to Laos and worried about where to stay, don't worry, we've got you covered. So this hotel is right in the middle of the city center, and from the railway station it is about 11 kilometers, and from the Luang Prabang airport it is close to 4 kilometers. So it's very easily reachable. From the main road you have to walk about 100 meters inside to reach the reception area, and from there are multiple cottages. Also there is a river on the other side. We'll be going to that side later on. So we booked a standard double room, but we got an upgrade, so they have given us a family room now. So this is really cute, cozy and aesthetic room. I'll give you a quick tour, but you can see how pretty it is. So there are beds. This is a family room, so they had two double beds here. In a standard room, you'll still have one double bed. The lighting is so pretty and so aesthetic. There is also AC. And there is a separate area for storing your luggage. And this area right here, they've made it like a hut and it looks so cute. And look at our view. Let me give you a quick tour of the washroom as well. They have a dryer. On the left side, there is a washroom. And on the right, they have given the wet area, the shower. There is a locker if you want to keep anything valuable. The sockets are right next to the bed. This is the first thing that we check after getting checked into a hotel, because once you're tired from your day outing, all you need is a phone charger next to your bed. There are chairs, refrigerator. This corner is really pretty. You'll get a kettle. Also, the staff is really helpful on the reception. They will tell you everything about the town, how to explore. They'll explain you the map, like how you can cover. And if you want to book some tours, you can also ask them for help. They have some packages for Kwangsi waterfall package and for the sunset cruise. Basically, all the main activities that are there in the Luang Prabang, they have tour packages for that. We didn't book it from there. We will be sharing those booking details in our other videos. But yeah, if you don't want to go and find, you can ask at the reception and get a booking. Although it is a 3-star hotel, the facilities are really nice and it is very clean. That is the best part that I liked about it. Let me show you the rest of the area here. The breakfast spread has a lot of variety. So far we had breakfast for 2 days and there was a little bit changes in the menu as well for both the days. And for vegetarians also you will find some options: pad thai, then fried rice, fruits, and even some good dessert options were also there. And if you are a non-vegetarian, you will not find any issue. There are a lot of options. Also, they have a live counter for coffee where you can order and get anything like latte, espresso, cappuccino, whatever you like based upon your preference. And the best part is the view that you get from here. So if you are sitting there, you can enjoy the river. That's the Namkhan River around there, and you can simply enjoy the view, have a bite, and even during the evening, if you want to sit here, you can spend some good time. So we booked this hotel at 4,700 rupees per night, and we booked a standard double room, but we got an upgrade, and they changed it to a family room, which is pretty huge. The other standard rooms are also spacious. So in this price, I think it's a pretty good place to stay. It's clean, you'll get nice food, and even the view is good.